Today we're going to make blueberry muffins using your starter discard or the sourdough starter that you fed. You're going to need 1 cup of white whole wheat or all-purpose flour, a cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, a half a teaspoon salt, 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter that you're going to melt, a cup and a half to 2 cups of blueberries, depending on how blueberry you like them, and 3/4 of a cup of your starter. See how gooey it is? That excites me. Anyway, so you take your dry, you're gonna mix them together. Take your wet ingredients, mix them together. Mix wet into dry, mix in your blueberries gently, bake at 425 for 30 minutes. Hilariously, I did forget that you definitely will need a half a cup of sweetener. I use maple syrup. You can also use honey, but now you